Hey guys, it's Chad with Beverage Professor, the channel designed to teach you about all things alcohol. Hey, today, quick video. I wanted to let you know, we're going to make a White Russian. And did you know that originally when the White Russian was made and when they were designing this, that most of the vodka that came to the United States was from Russia. And that's why they named it White Russian. Well, we have a lot of options now. So we're going to use a Ukrainian vodka, core Ukrainian vodka. Okay, so I'm going to make it for you real quick and we will be done with this video. So first we're going to take our core Ukrainian vodka and we're going to pour us about an ounce to an ounce and a half right in that area. And then we are going to put our Kahlua, about an ounce and a half in that area. And I'm actually using the Kahlua Blonde Roast because that's what I had here, but you could just use the regular Kahlua. And then we're just building all this in the glass. Now, sometimes you can get fancy and layer this drink. I don't know if I'm going to be able to layer it with this cream or not. I'm using half and half. A lot of times we'll ask for heavy whipping cream. It might be easier to do with that, but I'm going to try to layer it. If it doesn't work, hey, it doesn't work. But let's see what we can do. Try to layer it in here. Over the back of a bar spoon, just pouring slowly. And see if I can get that to kind of sit on top a little. It didn't layer very well. But, oh well, you get the gist of it. So, there's your drink. You can do it that way, you can build it in the glass, or if you want to mix it, I'm just going to mix this one up real quick. So we can do it both ways. Shake it up. And then if you want, you can strain this into new ice, or just pour it right back in your glass. And there we go, guys. We got us a White Russian. Delicious, made with Ukrainian vodka.